Hi everybody, I'm Samarth and welcome to Creative Stuff with Sam. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this stormbreaker from Avengers Infinity War. So let's start making this. So the materials which you require to make this stormbreaker are a pen, a ruler, a cutter, masking tape, clear tape, and you'll also need these templates. The link for these templates are in my description below. And so let's start making it. There are two parts in this Thor stormbreaker. One is the hammer part and one is the axe part. First we'll make the hammer part. To make the hammer part, you need this template and you have to cut out 4 pieces like this from the cardboard. So let's start cutting it. Yeah, so now I have cutted 4 pieces like this using this template. Now I have to take this template and cut the big square like this. Now after cutting this big square using this template, you have to mark the centers of each side. That's also given in the template, so I'll just mark it. Yeah, I marked it. Now you have to take the 4 pieces which you cut that time, and you have to mark the centers even for these pieces. Yeah. Now after marking the centers for all the pieces which you have cut now you have to stick this piece to this piece like this. You have to align the centers of both sides like this. After that, use some tape to stick them together. You have to do like this. You have to stick them like this. You have to do this to all the 4 sides. After this, now you have to cut a small square for which the sides should be equal to the length of this piece. So I'll cut the square. The length of this piece is 5 centimeter, so the square should also be of sides equal to 5 centimeter. Now you have to take this piece which you made and you have to stick all the 4 sides like this. You have to stick one side first. Now put some tape on the other side and fold them like this. And stick them with tape. The same way you have to repeat the same step for the other two sides. And it should look like this. Now you have to cut another square that is the side should be equal to this length. The length of the square side is 9 centimeter. So I'll cut a square of sides equal to 9 centimeter now. And the square should look like this. Now the next step is how to stick the square on top of this, like this. And to stick that, I'll use tape. And you have to stick it exactly over here. And next you have to cut out this circle. The radius should be equal to this. And the circle should look like this. And you have to stick it over here. And to stick that, I'll use tape. Be sure to stick it exactly in the middle. Yeah, so our hammer part of our stormbreaker is complete. So let us keep it aside and make the axe head. To make the axe head, take another piece of cardboard and you have to take this template and draw out 2 pieces of that. Now this is the axe head. Now you have to stick the tip. You have to stick some tape over here so that it joins these two. You can use masking tape or sticky tape, anything you like. So this is the axe head. Now how to fix this axe head to this hammer part like this. And to stick this, again use tape. So the axe head is ready now. Now the next step is you have to fix a handle to this. And for the handle, I found this piece of wood, a stick. keep the stick like this and take some tape and stick it like this. Now do the same step on the other side. Add some more tape to make it stronger. And this is the Thor stormbreaker. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. If you want to make this look more good, you can spray paint it and add some details. Like this stormbreaker which I made. You can make it look awesome like this. Thank you.